back to 20 car. Alright, picture this, an electric chariot straight from a billionaire's lucid dream. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach Unofficial Concept isn't just a car, it's a rolling declaration of luxury, silence, and insane road presence. One look at its sleek silhouette and you're already whispering? That's not just a car. That's power in motion. With a front grille that looks like it was carved from black diamond and chrome lines so clean they could slice air. It commands the spotlight on any boulevard. Step inside and you're greeted by what can only be described as a first-class cabin from the year 2050. Think twin OLED displays stretching from edge to edge, real wood and crystal accents, and seats that give you a full massage while you're stuck in traffic. The steering wheel? More like a spaceship control, sleek, touch-sensitive, and intelligent. Every button you touch feels like it was tuned by a watchmaker. Under the hood, it's packing an electric powertrain pushing 750 horsepower, launching this beast from 0 to 100 kilometers height in just 3.9 seconds, no engine noise. Just whispers of wind and wealth. Competitors like the Rolls-Royce Spectre and Lucid Air Sapphire are sweating in their garages. Estimated price? Somewhere around $350,000. Maintenance? Surprisingly lean. EVs are simpler, though insurance is king-sized. Depreciation? Maybach are rolling legends, so value loss is more like a slow glide than a nosedive. Driving this machine? It feels like floating through time. The air suspension reads the road and adapts like it's alive. Pros? Outrageous luxury, silent power, space-age interior. Cons? It might make your mansion look cheap. This isn't transportation, it's temptation on four wheels.